There's the air coming out of it. That's the air coming out. That's not good. So better hurry up. You better get going, Rob. Sticking on water.
Where's the trolling motor?
I just got it in there, probably. Oh, see, he's going all the way up through. I didn't see
Oh, okay.
We have to get it off the shore.
Which guy is y'all?
This young man here with the just getting ready to get in the boat. Robert.
Robert. Yeah, he came over to our house and got Brian and Nate's boat.
Okay.
He did real good driving.
Nope, not off yet. Not off yet. Rolling it.
Is someone a part of the fire rescue?
No, that was just their thing.
Well, I don't know if somebody on the other team.
Some of the other people, but they didn't know that at the time. Should have had that ready.
Probably have to get a little deeper first.
Yeah, because you're going to dig down in the mud.
There you go.
Let me make sure. I gave you the wrong battery. Here, give me that one because it has the good phone.
That's a good one. Yeah, there you go. Smart.
Should have had that motor on there.
Well, they could because when they.
Floating level though. That's a good sign.
You want some help or?
Some help, Adam? Well, I might. I'm not going to get wet, but you might be able to get some people to push.
Yep.
Yeah, guys, don't mind.
Good? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Sure. I got the pump. It wants to get wet. Hey, Justin, do you got that clamp or not? What do you do with that clamp? You need it? It's in the back of the boat.
We need to get rolling.
Right here. It's afloat, man. And it's
Yeah, that's a good sign if it's level. So just get it going. The motor's in the water, hopefully. With the prop.
Fill it up with water when after we get around the movie. Let's do it. Everything looked good on this thing until I started moving around this morning. All that paint cracked and everything.
Oh.
Yeah, that's inside though.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Nothing on the outside.
I'm a perfectionist. As much time as I put into this thing, it's like,
Do you have to do it by yourself?
yeah.
Oh.
My partner ended up taking a job halfway through the semester.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it'll go. No, Ryan's got my back. I'll throw it to you. Don't throw it tonight. Not in the boat.
I need a hand. I need a knife for it. These two.
It's flags.
Yeah, let's take off after.
There you go, Rob. You got propulsion.
There you go, there you go.
Yeah, it's going. Wow.
We don't want to see you swimming.
Hey, slow down, man. You're going to be done before it's time to go.